If you are looking for a dish to make that is high in fiber and protein, Chef Zayn from Medyz Swahili Cuisine is going to share with you one of her favorite home-cooked dish.
Hi Cindy, and today I'm really excited to share one of our street eats, Mombasa street eats, and this is the Goya pigeon peas. They're very high in fiber, like you mentioned, and very popular and famous on the streets of Mombasa. That's why we call it a Mombasa street eats. So I do have some Goya corn oil that's gonna go in here. Just a little bit of oil, some chopped red onion,
So what is Swahili cuisine?
Swahili is actually a fusion of African, Indian, and Mediterranean foods from Mombasa Island in Kenya. So I do have some onions in here. One of the things I love about Goya is they carry a lot of natural foods.
Yes.
And this really reminds me back of Kenya and Mombasa. So you don't want to cook the onions too much, but very lightly fried. It's one of the most simplest dish that I'm actually sharing today. We'll add a little bit of salt in here.
So a dash of salt
Yes.
to your taste.
And some fresh green pepper. And now we'll add the Goya pigeon peas itself. This is a very simple, easy to cook recipe. So we're gonna add some coconut milk in here.
And the Goya coconut milk
Yes,
is so full of flavor
it is.
and thick.
I love it.
Very flavorful.
You cook it for 5 minutes. Karibu Cindy, chakula cha Kiswahili, Mombasa street eats. And this is what we have. Isn't that delicious?
Oh, so flavorful.